Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are in Plant City, Florida at the Robert E. Willaford Railroad Museum. So come along with me and see what we can see. This admission is free and open to the public. Now when you're here, you can do a lot of train spotting. For instance, they have a Amtrak train that comes by quite a bit. You can also climb all over the different exhibits. Really nice, especially for kids. But be careful because the metal can be hot. And if you get tired while viewing these trains with your kids, you can have a nice little seat on these really unique benches. And there's a car going by. Now the Robert W. Willaford Railroad Museum is located in the historic train depot in downtown Plant City, Florida. Admission to this great museum is free. So I highly suggest that you come in here and get some air conditioning and enjoy the sights. Right, Elias? Yeah. As of this video, the Robert W. Willaford Railroad Museum is open Tuesday through Saturday, noon to 4 p.m. Now that's just the inside of the museum. Doesn't count the outside or the viewing area. Excuse me, sir. Can I have 2 tickets to Pennsylvania? Sir? Sir? How rude. For a free museum, this place is incredible. If you ever have a chance to bring your kids or your grandkids down here, do it. It's definitely worth your while. Now the Plant City Depot, which is what we're in now, was built in 1909 and it continued operation until 1971. In 1975 is when it was added to the U.S. National Register of Historic Places. But for being new, they are very impressive. And I met a young gentleman, not him, but I met a young gentleman who also has a YouTube channel that's based right here in Plant City. And it's called Railroad Spike Productions. If I remember, I'll put a link down below. Go check it out if you like railroad stuff. And I found a fellow YouTube creator here in Plant City.
Yeah.
And what is your channel name?
Railroad Spike Productions, no spaces.
All right, so if I remember, I'll put a link down below in the description. Go check them out. All right?
Yep.
All right. Oh, just in case you were wondering, yes, this museum is handicapped accessible. There is a ramp at the side to get in. That's a unique color. Okay, this is a push trolley, right? Right here. Now the train viewing platform is located right next door, adjacent to the museum, and is open 7 days a week. It's also well lit for great train viewing in the evening. Nice to know. Now, walking to the railroad overlook, there is plenty of municipal parking. And as you see here, you have 2 levels, bottom level, and if you climb those stairs, you can go to the top. Now there's also a handicapped accessible to the top with its own little elevator. Now reaching the top of the stairs, you will come across a beautiful view of the train tracks. Now inside the top of the building, you'll see the top part of the handicapped elevator, as well as some really awesome views. And over there is the museum.
Thank you for visiting from the Robert W. Willaford Railway Museum. And as always, have a great day.
Perfect.
Thank you.